How to create your own NFT art with no experience on Rarible in 2021. Today, I'm going to show you how you can actually create and sell NFT art without prior experience or coding. So let's start. This is what Rarible is. We know Rarible is an amazing website to sell and buy NFT art. And today we're going to create our own art without any coding or experience, simply a simple image or any art that we will sell on Rarible. So first of all, to create something, we'll have to click on create. And to create, you'll actually have to connect your wallet right here. So you can see I have actually connected my wallet right here. So it is showing like this. If you have not connected your wallet yet, you'll just have to simply connect your wallet right here, and then you will be able to create. Once I click on create, I will be able to create a collectible right here, and I can create a single collectible or a multiple collectible. A single means that it will be a single piece of art. Multiple means that it will have more than one pieces. If it's cards, I can create a pack or something like that. So I will, for now I am actually going for single one because I'll be creating one. So yes, we're going to start from the scratch. So once you do that, you will land on this page right here, create single collectible. So here we have to upload our NFT art. Now your NFT art can be a simple image, which can be PNG, a GIF, web MP4 or MP3. The size should be maximum 100 MB. That's enough. So it is so simple, guys. All you have to do is you will simply go to choose file, and you can choose anything you want to. If you have any piece of art, if you have your drawing, if you have your photographs, anything you want to choose. So I can actually go ahead and choose any of the image, but the requirement is that it should be PNG or a GIF or anything. So you can see I have selected this image. It was so simple. So now this is just an image that I selected. I wanted to just show you, but we're not going to do that. We're going to create a digital art that I told you without experience, very simply. So we're going to create a digital art, and then I will choose right here and put it on my collectible. So to create a digital art, Canva is always there for you. Canva is super easy to use and it is free. There is a premium package that you buy, but if you're working with the free, you actually get a lot of cool features. So I suggest that you can create, you're a beginner and you can just simply create any art on Canva very easily, so without any prior experience. So I'll just go to this Instagram post and we will be creating something like a digital art related to Bitcoin or something like that. So I will just simply create that. Okay, so now here I can actually create it. So I will just simply click on this and let's give it a color. Let's choose this one. Okay, this looks good. You can choose any color you want to. Let's add some elements into it. Let's add crypto and find something if we can add into it. It will simply load. Okay, I'll go with this one. This one is free. Okay, great. I'm just gonna make it a little bit bigger. Put it in the center. Great. After that, I can just simply go to elements and give it a nice background. I guess I'm just creating a simple art. You can go ahead and feel free to create whatever you want to. So yeah, this is what I created. You just saw this is digital art right here. So I just created this very simple art right here. You can go ahead and explore and create whatever you want to. So I have created this. Now I will simply download it, and here also you can download it in any form, PNG, JPG, or even GIF or MP4 video. So I'm saving it in PNG and I will simply download it. So once it's downloaded, now I will go to my Rarible, and again I will choose this art that I just created. So I will just have to go to my local disk where it was saved. So I will select it from here, and there you go. This is the art that I just created, and it was so simple with no experience, with no coding whatsoever. I just simply did that. But if you already have an art, you can do that. You can just simply selected. So once it's selected, now this is what my NFT art is. What you have to do is fixed price, timed auction, or open for bids. So you can just select any of these. I am going with fixed price, and let's sell it for maybe 0.03 Ethereum. Yeah, that's a good amount, I think. So I will select it in Ethereum. If you want to select it in any other, there are almost every option is available right here. You can just simply select any of these. So once you do that, you will see that now we'll have to choose collection. So choose collection means that I can actually create my own collection, or I can just simply put it on Rarible. So I am going with Rarible. Now I'll just have to add the details. For details, I'm just going with Bitcoin pink poster, just very randomly. And you can add any description right here. Now the next option is royalties. Now royalties means that, the first time you are going to sell your art, you are going to get 100% royalties. But if somebody else sells your art, then this is the royalty that you're going to get. And they're suggesting that 10 to 20 to 30% is, maximum should be 50%. So I'm just going with 10%. It's good. And then you can simply go ahead and create this item. You will see this is what it will look like. And I can just simply create item right here. Now guys, this is where the reality hits you. Now, it is not that easy to create an art on NFT, on Rarible, on any other NFT platform and just sell it. It is easy, I can do that. But this is where, the big guys are earning the money. Now on Rarible or any other platform, when you mint a NFT art, you'll have to pay the transaction fee. You have to pay the gas fee to Rarible. So what's gonna happen is, for example, the art that I just created, we saw. Now they're saying that I need to make a transaction in order to put my art on Rarible. So what's gonna happen, this is the amount they're asking me to pay, which is about 0.03 Matic, which will be round about $0.4 in Matics. But if we were talking about Ethereum, it would have been more. But the gas fee, we do not want to pay that. And if the art that I just created, being honest, when you are creating some art like this, I am making an example video, so I don't know if my art will sell or not. So that's a problem. I will be paying the transaction fee, it will be paid, and my art will remain there forever. It will not be sold. So that's a little, this is where the information comes from. If you have to get all of this information before you start, putting your NFT art on Rarible or any other platform. So yeah, so I'm not going to pay the transaction fee. I am not going to mint it. But if you were to mint, then definitely you have your funds in your wallet. You will pay the funds, it will be transacted, and then your art will be shown on Rarible and it will be open for sale. People will buy it. If your art is good, then I hope it's good and you can earn money from it. So for now, I'm just not going to approve anything and I'm just gonna cancel it. So yeah, once you do that, you have transacted your funds, it will be open for sale, and it will be, you can actually see them right here if I go to my profile. So this is what my profile is, and this is where actually I did not go through all the process. So this is where my own NFT would be shown here if I had put it out. So the NFT you create on Rarible or any other platform, remember, you own it 100%, and when even you have all the authority on it. So this is actually a good thing on digital art. So one great thing about NFTs and digital art is that if you are an artist, if you are a good in this thing, you can actually sell your real life art also, because people are doing that now too. Like, what do I mean by that is, the best example of real life things selling through NFTs is Unisocks. So if I go to Unisocks right here, So this is what the experiment was. They just put out these socks which are called uni socks, and these are actually, you buy them in real. You will get the socks in real life, but you're buying the NFT. So people are actually buying these for in Etherums or whatever, and they're actually getting the socks. So it's not an experiment anymore because it worked, and whoever did it was genius. Of course, he's rich now, of course, that is also a factor. So it's not an experiment anymore. So what I'm trying to say is that your art, your real life art, you can also sell it through NFT. So don't get worried that, if you are a real life artist and you do not know digital art, you can still sell your art on a Rarible or any other platform. What you have to do is just simply go to create and follow all the steps that I showed you, and it's super easy, and I know you can do it because yeah, so it's super easy. And I hope that now you will be able to create and sell NFT art without any experience in 2021. So yeah guys, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.